Hi, I'm Julie Turner, Secretary of the Dearne Community Arts Festival, and we're here in the Dearne Playhouse and Welfare Grounds in Goldthorpe, ready for Glowthorpe Lantern Parade. It's the first time we've done this community art event, but we're really excited about it. It's a festival of light. We really want to bring light and positivity to our area, and we're so grateful for all the people who have made this possible. We've had funding from the Unity and Inclusion Fund and from Love Where You Live Barnsley, but what's really exciting is the community involvement in making the lanterns with the artist Sue Walpole. We're so grateful for her and everything that she's done here, and we're looking forward to a really exciting community event.
Hi, my name's Sue. I'm the artist on this project. I've been delivering all the workshops. We delivered 9 workshops, including schools, community groups and youth groups. They've created houses decorated with animals and plants and just things that they love about where they live. Other workshops we've created love hearts to represent Love Where You Live, and 2 of the schools created some leaves and petals that I've transformed into some plants to represent growth, which is one of the themes from Barnsley Bright Nights. Had a lovely time. The community has been quite incredible. I can really see how much creativity and potential there is here in Goldthorpe. Yeah, it's just been really wonderful.